Oh, right, guys. 2021 Ram 1500. Ah, look at the engine. 3.6 Pentastar. Now, here's the deal with this, guys. This came in for a simple oil change and a tune-up. You know, I'm over here in the lube department, right? Yeah, from time to time, they would get a little, cocky, so to speak. Okay, yeah, I can do it. I can do plugs. Thank goodness it's not a Hemi, because he probably really would have been, a little disappointed. However, this one is not so bad until you pop the hood and find out it's a Gen 3. Okay, yeah, the spark plugs on a Gen 3, a lot of stuff may have to come off. For instance, the EGR cooler, there we go right there. Yeah, all that stuff got to come off just to get the intake out. So tune-ups are getting more and more complicated. First of all, the tune-up is really, this day and age, tune-up is nothing more than spark plugs. If you got a 6-cylinder, you're going to get 6 spark plugs. I don't know how old a lot of you guys are, but back in the day, tune-up used to mean a lot of things. Okay, check this, check that, do this, do that, blah, 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 blah. Nowadays, hey, here goes some spark plugs, do this tune-up. Yeah, we done watered down the word tune-up to the point where it's just simply spark plugs. Well, anyway, when we bring a car in, guys, we are required to look it over. And the oil change guy did his job. However, lo and behold, in the process of looking it over, guess what he finds? Yeah, you know what that means? Water pump is starting to leak. This is a 100,000 mile truck. Like I say, he in for his 100,000 mile tune-up and an oil change. So, but here's the kicker. It's got a service contract. All right, I ain't talking about an extended warranty, that pays CP time. I'm talking about a service contract that pay warranty time. So, look at this, guys. I mean, look at all of this. Look at that water pump. We talking about a lube guy here. Yeah, he having a hard time finding a mechanic to take this over from him. So, what did he do wrong? He did his job. He looked the car over and wrote up what he saw was leaking. Now, from a standpoint where technically we're not supposed to upsell warranty, but we don't know what the hell is warranty and what's not warranty. We upsell or we write up what we find. Now, it's up to, it's up to the clerical people to determine should we do this under warranty. But the guy was like, I got a warranty. And sure enough, they looked it up. You got a warranty and we have to honor it. So we're doing this, not we, he. Yeah, it's time to break in, buddy. It's time to get your hands wet, all right? Yeah, you can't just take the gravy and give the warranty water pump to a mechanic. Yeah, mechanics be going ape shit over that. They hate that. Why'd you do the tune-up then? Because that's what it came in for. And I found out. No, do the whole thing then. No mechanic wants to do that. Look, I've never done one that had this on here, so I don't know the difficulty, but it's tucked down in there. It's a typical 3.6 Pentastar water pump. In fact, here go the new one over here. Yeah. All right. That's the unique thing I like about this water pump. It will give you signs that it's about to be some problems. A lot of water pump got weep holes on them that will spill out coolant to let you know, hey, it's that time. All right. I'm dying of slow death. We got some Valvoline coolant flush. There go the spark plugs down there. And last but not least, some good Mopar coolant, 10-year coolant. So he got his hands tied, guys. I'm going to come over here and check up on him from time to time and see how it goes. First thing first. Oh, this is a no-no, guys. When you start disassembling engine parts like this, yeah, you don't want the battery. I'm going to leave that right there. So when you see that, he'll get the hint. Hey, JT said, take this battery off. Take one of these. Take electricity from the vehicle. How's that? You just never know, man. Get that off of there. All right. Now, I'm a firm believer in a thermostat when I do a water pump. But like I say, this one warranty. It's not technically an upsell. But I'm going to come down here and check on them from time to time. Oh, look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. I can't take it over for you, buddy. Like they're saying, you can't, soak up the, 2-3 hour gravy tune-up and give the warranty water pump to a mechanic. How many of y'all hate that? Y'all know what I'm talking about? Oh, that makes a mechanic. Woo! All right, let me stop. I'm gonna come check up on him though. All right. Yeah, we're gonna get this taken care of. I just thought I'd enlighten you guys. I gotta go, guys. Thanks for watching.